Alright, so let's suppose you've got the cross, these four pieces, and now you're on to the corners. What Rubix.com gives you is a little algorithm, and it's the only one you'll need. And it does a very specific thing. What it does is it takes a corner that's in your front lower right, so down front right, and it sends it up front right. That's what this move does. Now it doesn't necessarily at first send it correctly. You may have to repeat this move. So let's demonstrate. So I have a cube here with the correct cross. Notice that the pieces match the center. Now what I want to do, let me zoom up a little bit. What I want to do is look on what is currently the bottom layer, the L layer, to find a corner to place it at the top. So let's see. Oh, I found one. This one has white on it. It's got white, red, and green. So then I want to place it under its destination. Now that's not here. The piece that needs to go here will have white, orange, and green. So I can move the top two layers. What about here? Remember, it's red, green, and white. Oh, that's right here. Right? So this is this should have red, should have green, should have white. So I want this piece to go here correctly. Now I do not want to do that. That does place the piece, but look, I've messed up my cross. So the idea of this move is to repeat it, and yeah, let's just do it. So I do R prime, it's counterclockwise, D prime, counterclockwise, R, D, and then I do it again. And I just keep doing it until the piece is fixed. You'll get pretty good at this because you're going to repeat it over and over again. Now at some point, oh, well that's better. Things will be okay. So green, red, white, great, super. All right, let's look for another corner. Here's a corner. It's a red, white, and blue corner. It does not go here though. So let's move those top two layers. It doesn't go there. That's blue, orange, and white. Oh, here we go. Red, blue, and white. Now there's already a white piece there, but this clearly doesn't belong. It doesn't match. So what do? Well, we hold the cube so that the piece we want to move is in the down front right, and we want it to go up front right. So we R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. Not done yet. R prime, D prime, R, D. Now we are. I just realized that I should have written R, I, D, I, R, D. When I first learned how to solve the cube, the inverses were denoted with primes. So I will occasionally relapse. I apologize. Another corner, super. Alright, so here's a corner we need to place. It's got white on it. How about here? It's got blue, orange, yep. What do? Hold it so it's in our lower right, and just execute the procedure. So R-I-D-I-R-D, R-I-D-I-R-D, R-I-D-I-R-D. You see, it's there, but it's not oriented correctly. We just keep doing these 4 twists, and there we go. That piece is in the right location. One more to go. It just happens to be here. I mean, it won't always be so visible. You'll sometimes have to look around. One thing I want to say, when you're solving the cube, try to avoid rolling it like this. It's very easy to become confused and disoriented. If you're solving the first layer, keep white on top the entire time and just turn it, say, left to right. And you can always peek at the bottom. So here's the last white corner. Move the top 2 layers. We want this corner, which is green and orange, to go here, green and orange. So I hold the cube so that the piece I want to move is in my down front right. And I just do those 4 twists over and over again. And you can see that sometimes you have to repeat this quite a bit. That's okay. Ta-da! Now you have one layer all solved.